up, guys? This is my last day here at this campsite. I've been here for like over a week, longer alone than I expected to be, because obviously my friend Alyssa was supposed to be here the whole time, but it really gave me time to like reflect and like give Lars some good walks and really take some time to myself to read, gather myself, and really remember what I set out to do with this channel and with this lifestyle that I've chosen. So I'm just gonna refocus myself and make sure I'm giving out really good content for you guys. But yeah, I still am planning on going live. I was planning to go live here because on the reviews it said that there was good service, but when I got here, it's all right. I tested my speed of internet connection and it wasn't to what I thought good enough to go live for my first time. Like, I don't want to go live for my first time and you guys, I'm like cutting out and stuff like that, and I have to like cut the stream early or something like that. So I still will be going live soon. I just need to find the proper place to do it. But yeah, it's my last day here, so I'm just gonna enjoy it. It's empty again, so I'm gonna take Lars on a good long walk and then try to make lunch. I went through all of the food that I brought, which is really good. I feel really good about the fact that I did not waste any food, but I'm like all out of food. My fridge is completely empty, so hopefully I have something that I can whip together because I'm getting pretty hungry. So yeah, take Lars on a walk and then we'll see what we can do for lunch. By the way, I was thinking about when I leave here in the morning, I was thinking about just like leaving the state of Washington altogether because I feel like I've been here for too long. But then I was reflecting today and I was like, I would really be remiss if I didn't go see this one particular place. I'm gonna leave a couple Easter eggs in this video that will give you a hint of where I'm going after I leave this campsite, but that'll be in the next video when I show where I'm going. But see if you can catch the Easter eggs that I leave and let me know in the comments where you think I'm heading next in Washington before I leave Washington altogether. And after that, also in the comments, let me know where I should go next, because I have no idea. Alright guys, I just realized that fall time is literally in a few days. Fall time is my favorite season of the year. So I think I'm gonna start it by cleaning the van because it is a literal mess in here. And it's just fallen apart over the past few days that I've been here by myself. But we're gonna do some fall cleaning and then we're gonna see if we can scrounge together something for lunch. So let's get started. Got Lars hanging out so I can really get in here and get it clean. Oh boy. For anyone who doesn't know, I use this for Lars's cat box. This is pine pellets. This is a 40-pound bag. It costs about $7. You can get them at any Tractor Supply store. Bought this a couple months ago and it's been lasting perfectly. It really does a good job to mask the smells, and it really just does great, especially when you use a sifting box. Lars's poor cat tree is on its last leg. It literally cracked the other day, so this part is like just broken. I've been using this water bottle to help prop it up, but yeah, it's on its last leg. So I will be getting him a new cat tree soon with a wider perch part, because he's way too big for this anyways. R.I.P. Pretty good before and after, right? All right, so as I was cleaning, I found 1 can of chicken. I also found a couple hamburger buns and some kimchi seasoning and some peppers. So I'm gonna throw together a weird Korean style chicken salad sandwich, which kind of sounds good. This is definitely not gonna be the fanciest thing I've ever made on this channel, but I am hungry, so. All right, I already drained the chicken. So I'm gonna add some to the bowl. That should be good. Then I have this kimchi packet from my ramen, and I'm just gonna throw some of that powder in there. That may have been too much. And then I've got these green peppers that have been, they're like banana peppers and onions. I figure this might like add to that kimchi taste in some way. Mix that up. This looks so basic. And last step is a van life hack. If you ever get fast food, I don't get fast food very often at all, but when I do, I always order way more sauce packets than I actually need, just in case anything like this happens and I need something. And these don't really spoil like a jar of mayonnaise would, so mix that up. And there you go, Korean style chicken salad sandwich. And that's dinner. Let's give it a try. Definitely not the best thing I've eaten, but it's actually surprisingly good. All right, that's gonna do it for me. It's about to get dark, so I'm gonna head down to the docks to watch the water for the last night. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you saw any of the Easter eggs that I put in the video, and let me know where you want me to go next and what you want to see next. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. So I'll see you in the next one, astronauts. Peace.